Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into the world of adjectives. If you're just starting out on your English journey, this episode is perfect for you because we'll be covering adjectives at the A1 level. Adjectives are super handy words that help us describe things around us, from people and places to feelings and objects. For example, if you see a beautiful flower, beautiful is the adjective that tells us more about the flower. Without adjectives, our language would feel very plain, so they're incredibly useful for adding detail and personality to what we say. Let's look at some simple examples. Imagine you have a big dog. Here, big is the adjective that describes the size of the dog. Or maybe you just bought a red car. Here, red is the adjective that tells us the color of the car. Another example could be if you had a delicious meal. Delicious is the adjective describing the taste of the food. By adding these words, you can paint a clearer picture and share more about your experience with others. Adjectives are everywhere in daily life. You might say it's a sunny day or I feel happy. If you're shopping, you might say I need a small shirt or I like the blue shoes. As you can see, adjectives are simple but essential words that help us express exactly what we mean and give more details about our world. If you're enjoying this episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others discover Hello Word and keeps us motivated to bring you more helpful English lessons. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing those adjectives.